How do I install Hulu on my TV?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to install Hulu on your TV. If you're a fan of streaming your favorite shows and movies, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing Hulu on your TV. So, let's get started.
Check TV compatibility.
Before we dive into the installation process, let's make sure your TV is compatible with Hulu. Hulu is available on most modern smart TVs from popular brands such as Samsung, LG, Sony, and others. It's important to check if your TV supports the Hulu app before proceeding. You can usually find this information in your TV's user manual or by visiting the manufacturer's website.
Access the App Store.
To install Hulu on your TV, you'll need to access the App Store or Marketplace that is specific to your television's operating system. Smart TVs typically have their own App Store, similar to how you download apps on a smartphone. Depending on your TV's brand and operating system, the App Store may have different names such as LG Content Store, Samsung Smart Hub, or Sony Select. Look for the App Store icon on your TV's home screen or in the main menu.
Search for Hulu.
Once you've opened the App Store on your TV, it's time to search for the Hulu app. Navigate to the search function within the App Store and use the on-screen keyboard or voice search feature to type in Hulu. As you type, the App Store should start suggesting matching results. Look for the official Hulu app and select it.
Install Hulu.
After you've found the Hulu app in the App Store, it's time to install it. Select the Hulu app from the search results to open its dedicated page. On this page, you should find detailed information about the app, including user reviews, ratings, and screenshots. Look for an Install or Download button and select it to begin the installation process. The App Store will start downloading and installing Hulu on your TV.
Sign in and enjoy.
Once the installation is complete, it's time to sign in to your Hulu account and start enjoying your favorite shows and movies. Launch the Hulu app on your TV, and you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter your Hulu email address and password using the on-screen keyboard or any other input method provided by your TV. If you don't have a Hulu account yet, you can create one by visiting the Hulu website on a computer or smartphone. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Hulu on your TV. Now you can sit back, relax, and enjoy a wide range of exciting content right on your big screen. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!